Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Dark green color, light green color, pale green color, mint green color, purple color, pink color, plum color, rose pink color, sky blue color, blue color, lavender color, violet color, dark green color, A, violet color, B, purple color, C, light green color, D, pink color, E, blue color, F, sky blue color, G, plum color, H, rose pink color, I, mint green color, J, lavender color, K, pale green color, L, violet color, M, plum color, N, blue color, O, rose pink color, P, sky blue color, Q, purple color, R, lavender color, S, pink color, T, light green color, U, dark green color, V, mint green color, W, rose pink color, X, blue color, Y, purple color, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.